Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Exodus. First, you'll need to open your Exodus wallet and select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. It's crucial to have enough balance for the transaction, including any network fees. Always double-check the recipient's address to prevent any loss of funds. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and secure transfer of your digital assets. Once inside your Exodus wallet, locate the specific asset you want to withdraw from your portfolio. Click on the Send button associated with that asset. You will then be prompted to enter the destination address. Carefully paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field or use the QR code scanner for accuracy. This step is vital for directing your funds correctly. Next, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw. You can enter a specific number or choose to send a percentage of your available balance. Before proceeding, meticulously review all the transaction details displayed, including the amount, recipient address, and estimated network fees. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal to authorize the transaction. After confirming, your withdrawal request is sent to the network. You can usually track the transaction's progress directly within your Exodus wallet. Most withdrawals are processed quickly, with funds arriving at the destination wallet within minutes, depending on network congestion. If you encounter any unexpected delays or issues, do not hesitate to reach out to Exodus support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.